Now we are going to take a look on this dim space. Dim space is nothing but here we indicated with the dimensions, but it is not perfectly oriented. We need to arrange it like a chain dimension. So that's why I just using a tab called dim space. But before that, how to start it? By selecting of the primary dimensions of 40 mm, based on that only it is arranged under this locations. Enter it and click 0. Under this is an average value 0. Look at it. Relate to the 45 mm, all that arranged with the respective of its endpoint itself. Same as like selecting of the first initial value is the main thing. Each and every value one by one. Here I am selected a 25 mm. Based on the 25 mm orientations, all that respective dimensions arranged in order. See, in this, again, go to this reason output, input, dimension space, pick this each and every dimension one by one, click enter. After that, just again click and enter, you will get it. This is how the dimension space command will be used. Okay, thank you.